Remote data analyst, listen up. Especially if you're a beginner data analyst, aspiring or hoping to land a remote job, this video is for you. There is one particular skill that many beginners ignore as a data analyst, and they feel like Excel, Tableau, R, Power BI, and Python is enough. Hoping to land a remote job, but let me tell you something. So many organizations need someone who can query the database. And what is that skill? SQL. SQL is one underrated skills, especially amongst beginners in data analytics, hoping to land a remote job. Please do not ignore SQL, often pronounced as SQL. You do not need to learn deep SQL, especially if you are a beginner. You can just start small, learn, select from, join, all those basic SQL. It counts. And make sure you highlight SQL as a skill in either your resume or your CV. Make sure that when you push your project to GitHub, highlight SQL. In recent events, I've been able to sit with many recruiters who always say something about people do not really value SQL. They thought that after Excel, Power BI, the next thing they need to learn is how to code Python. Trust me, Python is very important, but please do not ignore SQL. Even the basic will go a long way for you as a data analyst for you to be able to land a remote job. Remote job or no remote job, for you to be able to land a good paying job, you need SQL. Stop ignoring SQL. Stop ignoring that skill that lets you query the database. This is how you can be able to achieve that. Always block an hour a day and dedicate that to learning SQL. You don't even need to leave everything you're doing, just an hour a day. And in a space of 1 month, you will be good with basic SQL. So you can even do an hour a day for 5 days. You can do that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Do this for 4 weeks. That is making it a month. And trust me, you will be good with basic SQL. You will know how to query database and always highlight it in your CV and your resume. And you see yourself standing out amongst the pool of many applicants looking for this same data analyst remote job. Until I see you next time, my name is Chioma. Bye.